Hey guys, it's Gabrix here, and this is about my train videos. So far, I made one Florida East Coast, two Sunrail trains, and one CSX. I had a chance to film an Amtrak, but I didn't record it because I was about to record it, but my phone was already recording, and I pressed it again. And when I hold my phone up at the Amtrak, my camera wasn't filming. It was a mistake I made, and I can assure that won't happen again. But I still gotta film an Amtrak somewhere. But so far I have 4 train videos up, and I'm still looking for a lot more. I haven't been able to film a train because it's been raining. It's been raining outside. But anyway, this is just an update about trains. So yeah, that's it. Make sure you subscribe, thumbs up, comment, and like my videos. Bye bye. Gabrix is out of here.